Founded by Frank Seeley over 50 years ago, Convair have led the air conditioning industry in the manufacture of evaporative cooling units, being one of the first to use plastic parts to reduce erosion, extending the product life cycle. By applying the same uncompromising approach which made their air coolers industry-leading, Seeley International went on to produce a range of portable refrigerated air conditioners and tower fans, products which have strengthened the Convair range of climate control appliances. Today, their evaporative air coolers set the benchmark in portable air conditioning excellence, providing a cost-effective, easy-to-use and quick-to-install solution. Aircon 24/7 are proud to provide Convair cooling units to their UK customers and welcome any questions you may have about finding the ideal cooling solution for your climate needs.